Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate productivity with Notion step by step clearly. Start by downloading Notion from the official website or app store. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Familiarize yourself with the main interface, including the sidebar, page editor, and toolbar. Identify the areas of your life or work where you want to boost productivity. Start by creating a new page for your project or task. Use templates that Notion provides to get a head start. Select a template that best fits your needs, such as a task manager or calendar. Customize the template by adding or removing sections as necessary. Create a database to track your tasks, projects, or notes. Choose the type of database that aligns with your goals, whether it's a table, Kanban board, or calendar. Add properties to your database for better organization, such as due dates, tags, and priorities. Use relations to link different databases together for interconnected information. Incorporate formulas to automate calculations, like summing up tasks based on their completion status. Set reminders for important deadlines by utilizing the calendar view. Add comments or notes directly to your tasks for better context. Leverage Notion's collaborative features by inviting team members to your workspace. Create shared pages for collaboration and communication inside your team. Use the web clipper feature to save resources and inspiration directly into Notion. Organize your saved content into relevant databases or pages. Regularly review your pages and tasks to keep your system efficient and up to date. Adjust your setup whenever necessary to better fit your evolving workflow. Take advantage of Notion's widgets to display pertinent information at a glance. Experiment with different layouts and views to find what works best for you. Integrate other tools you use into Notion through APIs or third-party applications. Use Notion's mobile app to access your information on the go. Set up a daily or weekly review process to ensure you're staying on track. Monitor your progress and productivity using the analytics available in your databases. Make iterative changes to optimize your setup for continuous improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.